Are you looking to enhance the security of your Magento store? Today, we're diving deep into how to configure Magento two-factor authentication. This simple but powerful feature adds an extra layer of security, ensuring only authorized access to your store. Let's begin and take your store's security to the next level. In the first step, we'll activate the Magento two-factor authentication module. You can do that via the command line interface. Use these commands. Enable the module. Run the upgrade setup. Compile DI information. Deploy static content. If you wish to disable Magento two-factor authentication, use the same sequence of commands as before, but disable the module instead of enabling it. Now, let's move on to configuring the two-factor authentication within Magento. First, we need to select the authenticators. Navigate to Stores, then Configuration. Click on 2FA under the Security tab. Enable 2FA in the General section by selecting Yes. Finally, tick all the required authenticators in the Providers section. Remember to save the configuration. Next, we'll set up the authentication code. Log in to the Magento admin panel. You'll be prompted to configure your authenticators. Follow the steps provided by the Authenticator app to generate a code. You can also get the codes using your email. Enter the generated code in the Magento admin panel to complete the 2FA setup. Let's look into setting up the Google Authenticator for Magento 2FA. Install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Enable Magento 2FA by navigating to Stores, Configuration, Security, and then 2FA. Select the Google Authenticator option and save the configuration. Open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Select Scan a QR code and scan the code displayed on your Magento admin panel. The app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code on your Magento admin panel to complete the setup process. Admin users can assign different authenticators in Magento. Log into the Magento admin panel. Navigate to System, then Permissions, and finally All Users. Select the admin user for whom you wish to configure 2FA. Choose the desired authenticator from the drop-down list in the two-factor auth section. Enter your password in the Current User Identity Verification. Save the changes. Lastly, you can reset authentication settings for admin users. There are two methods to do this, via GUI or CLI. For the GUI method, navigate to System, then Permissions, and finally, All Users. Select the user and open their account in edit mode. In the left panel, select 2FA. In the Configuration Reset section, click on Reset Providers and then click OK. Click Save User to apply the changes. For the CLI method, use the command. This completes our tutorial on how to configure Magento two-factor authentication. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful How to Magento guides. Until next time.